Jeremiah.
Yeah! Nangingok mo! Sige yun! Lugod! Yay! No! Where's that coming from? Jeremiah!
Thank you so much, Jeremiah. Traveling.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. So, thank you. See you soon. Next. Thank you so much, Ma.
May kasama ng bra.
Sabi ko na!
Ako, Brian.
Kulay ng damit mo ah.
Thank you so much, Ma.
Nanay pang Valentine's, so det na.
Det na.
Open, open! What's that in the pink? Louis Vuitton!
Ang daming fans.
What's that? What's in the box?
Cellphone.
Christian Dior! Sana all! Ano yan? May pa-lipstick.
Lipstick.
Oh.
Thank you so much, Ma.
Saan sa akin?
And
Yay!
matagal pa ano. Tagal pa nun, June pa.
Tagal sa June.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yay! Come on, come on. Wala nang pa-card kahapon.
Cake and Ate Dalanda.
Say open!
Wow.
Galing kay Willie.
Thank you so much.
Yes!
Ate, bunitin mo yung bakal, baka may gift card.
Ano? Nakakaganda ako na inapan.
Siguro lang. Make it sure.
Thank you so much.
Para sa ano, but... Kapay na ako kung 5 days.
Thank you so much.
You better be careful, you might slide out of bed with those.
800 pounds.
Kim, malaro na yan. Bye! Uwi na ako. Kailangan niya.
2 minutes na lang. 2 minutes na lang.
Happy birthday.